Understanding the cut of one's jib. Hello everyone, and welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving into an interesting English phrase that you might have come across: the cut of one's jib. This expression has a fascinating history and usage in the English language, and understanding it can add a charming touch to your English conversations. So, let's explore what it means, where it comes from, and how you can use it effectively. The cut of one's jib is an idiom that refers to the way a person presents themselves or their appearance and style. Originally, this phrase comes from naval terminology. A jib is a type of sail at the front of a ship that plays a crucial role in determining its direction and speed. The cut of the jib, or its shape and size, was used by sailors to recognize ships from a distance, even before they could see their flags or markings. In everyday English, when someone says they like the cut of your jib, they're essentially saying they appreciate your style, personality, or the way you handle yourself. It's a compliment that goes beyond just surface-level appearance, touching on the essence of who you are. This phrase's roots lie deep in nautical history, dating back to the 17th century when sailing ships dominated the seas. The cut of a ship's sails, especially the jib, could indicate the ship's nationality and intent, thus playing a crucial role during naval encounters. Over time, this practical term evolved into a metaphorical expression used to judge character or personality based on first impressions. Interestingly, the expression has endured through the centuries, adapting to modern contexts while retaining its original essence. This longevity underscores the human tendency to make quick judgments based on appearances or initial impressions. Using the cut of one's jib in contemporary conversation can add a layer of sophistication and historical flavor to your speech. Here are a few examples of how you might use it. In appreciation, I must say, I really like the cut of your jib. You have a unique way of approaching problems. In friendship or camaraderie, the first time I met you, I liked the cut of your jib. It's no wonder we get along so well. In professional contexts, she's got an impressive resume, but it was really the cut of her jib that convinced us she was right for the team. When using this phrase, it's important to ensure that the context and the tone of the conversation are appropriate, as it carries a certain level of informality and quaintness. The cut of one's jib is more than just an old nautical term. It's a testament to the English language's rich history and its ability to evolve while preserving its heritage. This phrase allows us to connect with others on a deeper level, appreciating their unique qualities and styles. We hope this video has enriched your understanding and use of this charming idiom. Thank you for watching, and remember, we're always here to help you navigate the vast ocean of the English language. See you in the next video.